Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses, and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. If this is your first time to my channel, thank you. I appreciate you stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you as well. In today's video, we're a couple weeks away from my last fall date, and the temperatures from now until then are supposed to be above normal. So I thought I would come outside and do a little planting. Let's get started. So in our very first ever planting in this Landguard circular bed, we are going to plant some turnips, some rutabagas, and some cabbages, or Chinese cabbage. All of these were started hydroponically and then up potted to soil. So we're going to start off with our rutabagas on this side. And all we're going to do is dig a hole approximately the size and width of my hand as such so that the plug can fit in. We are going to take our go-to mixture of bone meal, blood meal, and a general fertilizer or tomato fertilizer and sprinkle some into the hole. Mix it up, and we will be popping out one of the rutabagas. And as you can see the roots here, they are perfect. And again, this was started hydroponically. And we're going to pop it down into the hole that we made, backfill, and just like that, we have our rutabaga planted. Now we're going to plant another one, let's say right here. And we're going to do the same thing. These are the best that I have ever planted as far as plugs. Looking fantastic. And we have that one planted. I'm going to take my label and place it up above my drip system, so we know that we have rutabagas. Now we have two Chinese cabbage, so we're going to place them in the middle here. And we'll start, let's say, right here. Here we go. And we're going to pop it in, backfill, and even the soil out. And just like that, we have it planted. And we're going to place the other one down on this end. Perfect. And there we go. And we'll take the label and we'll put it up here. So we're going to put one of the turnips up here. The roots of these also look good. Got one, and we'll place the other one down on this end. We're going to take our label out and put it up here. Pop our plug in. Backfill. And just like that, we have our first plantings and our new raised bed. So here we have 2 jalapenos, and we're going to plant them in our containers. And same process that we do for for those in the raised bed. We're going to go down, put in fertilizer, mix it around, pop our plant in, backfill it, move some of the debris out, and press down, and it's good to go. We have a label that we made. One jalapeno, 2 jalapeno. So we're going to take this one and just stick it here. So this one, going to add a little bit more soil. Okay, that's better. And now drop the hole in, add fertilizer, mix it in, add the plant, backfill and compress the hole. And we put our label in. Now these will go into pepper row. We're going to go ahead and put them there now, and then we'll move over to the container bed. So here in my container row, we are going to plant the bell peppers. We have 4 different types that we're going to plant. The first the first container on my right will be a Haas hybrid green bell. The second container will be a red bell. The third container will be orange. And the last one will be a yellow bell. And all of them will be planted the same way. We will dig a hole down to the knuckles of my hand and widen that hole out to the size of the plug itself. We will drop a mixture of fertilizer in. The fertilizer will have bone meal, blood meal, and a general purpose tomato fertilizer in it. And then we will backfill the hole and cover it up. Afterwards, we will add mulch to it and give everything a long shower or drink. So we're going to give the plants a real quick shower before we turn on the drip system. Ooh, yeah. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got something out of it. Hope it brought a smile to your face, a little joy to your heart. I do this for every plant that I put out into the garden. And I may be a little early, but these plants, I couldn't hold them back any longer, and they needed to be put out. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, good, bad, or indifferent, and I will reply. Are you guys excited about spring as much as I am? Let me know down in the comment section. If you hadn't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.